Every prepper knows that it's best to hope for the best but prepare for the worst. When a crisis occurs, you'll need dependable tools to help you overcome any hardship. In today's video, we will showcase 35 Doomsday survival gear and gadgets that every prepper should have. Updated price and purchase links are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let's begin. The Pro Camtech firestrip roll stands out as an indispensable item for anyone serious about preparedness. Measuring 50 feet in length and compressed into a compact 3-inch puck, this fire starter is made from thick, fibrous timber pulp soaked in water-resistant wax, ensuring it lights up even in damp conditions. Its design allows for easy storage in backpacks or survival kits, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. Using it is simple. Just cut a length from the roll, fray the edges, and ignite it with a ferro rod, flint-based wheel igniter, or a simple lighter. Whether you're navigating harsh environments or hunkering down in your bug-out location, the firestrip roll delivers consistent fire-starting performance, removing the worry of wet or unreliable tinder. This essential tool is tailored for those who refuse to leave their survival to chance, offering a practical and compact solution to staying warm and cooking when things go south. In a doomsday scenario, having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference, and the SOL Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool is the kind of gear you don't want to be without. This compact and lightweight powerhouse, no bigger than a pocket knife, packs 8 crucial survival functions, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. From fire-starting capabilities, including a waterproof tinder that burns up to 3 minutes and a reliable ferro rod, to a fixed drop-point knife with a serrated edge for cutting through kindling or rope, the Phoenix has it all. Its built-in wrench comes in handy for gear repairs, while the flathead screwdriver allows for easy access to battery compartments. In a pinch, the LED light provides much-needed illumination, with a flashing mode for emergency signaling. Weighing just 7 ounces, it's ideal for tossing in your go bag, offering multifunctional use without adding bulk, giving peace of mind for the unexpected challenges that lie ahead. Dependable lighting can be the key to navigating through chaos, and the ThruNite Catapult Pro flashlight delivers the kind of performance that preppers can rely on. This compact searchlight pushes a stunning 2700 lumens of brightness, far outshining any run-of-the-mill flashlight. Thanks to its high-performance LED and a robust 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which conveniently recharges via USB-C, this flashlight is built to keep going when others fail. What sets the Catapult Pro apart is its ability to light up targets a full kilometer away. Whether you're scanning for threats or signaling for help, it's got the reach. Its tough aircraft-grade aluminum body doesn't just provide unmatched durability. This is the kind of gear that belongs in every bug-out bag, a flashlight that ensures you're never left in the dark when it truly matters. In a doomsday survival situation, staying connected and powered up could be critical, and the Big Blue solar charger is the kind of charger that gets the job done. Designed for rugged outdoor use, this charger offers an impressive energy conversion rate of up to 23.5%, outperforming most typical solar chargers that barely hit 15%. Equipped with 3 USB Type-A ports, the Solar Power allows for simultaneous charging of multiple devices, delivering up to 5-volt BT 2.4A per port, ensuring you're never left with dead electronics. Its smart charge technology automatically adjusts output to suit each device, safeguarding against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. The foldable design not only maximizes solar absorption, but also keeps everything compact for transport. With its zippered pocket for device security and built-in ammeter display, this solar charger ensures you're always powered up and prepared for whatever challenges come your way. In a doomsday survival scenario, you need a reliable communication device like the Midland ER 310 emergency crank radio. This versatile device combines an AM/FM radio with no weather alerts, ensuring you stay informed about changing conditions. With its powerful LED flashlight featuring multiple settings, low beam, high beam, and a flashing Morse code SOS, the ER310 lights up the darkest nights. It operates on a rechargeable battery, which can be conveniently charged via USB or through hand cranking, although the latter is a slower process. The user-friendly design allows easy switching between AM, FM, and NUA bands with a simple press of a button, while tuning is easily managed with up and down buttons. A cool feature is the WX alert function, which silently monitors NOAA broadcasts and sounds an alarm when severe weather warnings are issued. Overall, compact, multifunctional, and dependable, the Midland ER310 is essential for anyone serious about survival when the unexpected strikes. So that was our list of 35 Doomsday survival gear and gadgets preppers should have. Let us know your favorite picks in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.